Now, for create, how about quiz and quiz assignment? This one right here allows you to make quizzes sa classroom ninyo. Okay, so let's just say multiple choice quiz. Okay, number one. Okay, let's just make a boring title. Okay, for this one. Now, this is how you will edit your quiz or make your quiz. Click this one right here, blank quiz. Okay, then that will redirect you to Google Forms. Okay, so let's just say, what was the name? Multiple choice quiz number one. Let's use this as a title. Also here, use it as a title. And then let's just say, how are you doing? Okay, just for test. I'm fine. I'm okay. Whatever. So you get the point, right? You can just make your quiz right here. Now, for the answer key, okay, this will allow you to put the answers immediately so that when they answer this, they will have immediate feedback. So add answer feedback. The correct answer should be I'm fine. Let's just say, okay, I'm fine. And then you can choose how many points this question should be. Okay, in this case, I'm just gonna write 1 point. And then you click done. Oh, I forgot the question mark. All right. And of course, don't forget, right, to engage required here so that they need to answer this question. Because if you won't check this, pwede nilang skip yung question na yan. So, click required right here. Okay, so you get the point, right? And if I'm gonna make another, question, then I'm just gonna write it right here. How many stars are there in the Philippine flag? Okay, so they will answer 1. These are the choices. 3, 4, and then you can just, write the answer key again, and then you get the point, right? So this is how you make the quiz right here. So you can just be creative, contextualize this according to what subject you're handling. So ayun. So now in this part, you can just now edit, how many points you will give your students for this quiz. So let's just say that this is just a 15-point quiz. And then from there, due date, put that again right there, fill in the details, whatever you need to do, and then click assign. And then when you do that, you will see it right here that the quiz is now posted, multiple choice quiz number 1. So that is how you make a quiz. For a question, okay, basically what you are doing here is make a question so that when the students will see this, they will just answer the question and they can actually engage and, share some ideas, and this is a collaborative thing to do. Students can reply to each other, students can edit answer, and this is a good way, to stir up the conversation. So this is a good tool as well. Okay. For material, in this case, you can just post, for example, you want to post an ebook on the Philippine flag. I don't know what it is with the Philippine flag, but I want to just write it right there. Okay, capital P, and then click the link below to access the ebook. Ayun. And then you can just add a Google file drive or upload a file or add a link. Okay, so you can just do that for this ebook on the Philippine flag. Or if you wanna add a YouTube video, like if this is right here, video on the Philippine flag or history video on the Philippine flag, then you can do that as well. But if depende sa resource na ibibigay mo sa students mo, that's good. And then also, you can attach an item like docs or slides or sheets or drawings or forms as well here, and all will be well. And then of course, you can also add a topic, like create a topic, Philippine flag, lesson 1. So because this is your lesson 1, right? So you can just post it there. And then you will have that, lesson 1, Philippine flag, okay? So, ayan. How about reuse post? Okay, so you can reuse post across your classroom. So, ito na sinasabi ko kanina. If you have requirements na you can see in other classes, then you can use it to another class as well. So, let's just say, okay, I have posted summer break Facebook post at GAS 11A Empowerment Technology. You can click on this one and then reuse it here. Ayun, create new copies of attachment, then reuse. Okay. Then you will see it right here. This was a post or a requirement that I posted on another class, and then I just reused it here, and you can do that as well. Okay, so let's just say that I want this to be at lesson 1 Philippine flag. Okay, assign. Then you can see it right here. Ayun, summer break Facebook post. Ayun. One last thing is topic. So you can just add a topic right here. Like for example, if you want to add a topic like lesson 2 geography of the Philippines. Okay, then you can add that one and you have lessons right here. Okay, lesson 1 right here. Drag it to the bottom so that magkasunod-sunod. Or if you wanna drag that to the top so that the most recent post will be at the top, pwede din. And then you can just, add some quizzes and activities again, and then you get the point. All right. Let's go to the next one, which is people. All right. So this is where you add your students' email ad so that they can access this Google Classroom smoothly. Okay. So para dire-diretso na, they won't, need the link over and over again. They can just access it because this will be archived in their Google Meet na app. How do you do that? You can invite students here. Okay. Like for example, let me just add my other account, and then you can just add that one right there and add many more students according to how many students you have, and then you can just invite them. Or also you can click this invite link so that you can send that to them, and the moment they click on this link, they will be redirected here and be added to your class. Okay, either way it works. So this case nag-type lang ako, but this link can also work. So invite, and then I have a student right here. But for your information, they should confirm this using their email ads. So you should communicate to them na, hey, confirm my invite so that you can access the things that I have here in my Google class. Okay. Then if you have, a co-teacher that you work together with sa class na to, then you can just add it right here and then type the email of the teacher that you collaborated with. So, ayun, that's good as well. Now, for the last part, this is the grades, okay? And this is very important because what you have done here sa classwork, the results of their activities will be shown here sa grades. So they will be able to see their grades right here. So whatever happens in the Google Classroom that is graded will be seen here sa grades na part. So that is it. That is the quick run of how you can use your Google Classroom for the class this school year. And I hope you learned something from this video. I'm Kyle, and have a good day.